hopefully this is the first of many. So this is like the outfit of the day. The boots are from the Fix, and then the rest of the outfit is actually from Cotton On. If you already follow me on Instagram, you know that I work with Cotton On. So yeah, this is the fit. Okay. Same price range as the one that I was in. A bit cheaper, okay? My phone is actually quite fast also. And I noticed you guys are also on Average Day and also on Airbnb as well. Yes, also.
That's all.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, how many need to say for us?
The funny story is that I actually forgot to carry on vlogging like along the road, you know, and where I stopped and the snacks I got and all of that. But yeah, I just got home and landed safely. It was actually quite a nice drive. I also had a lot of good times in the car. It's just that I forgot to shoot all of that. But I'm learning. Also, I wanted to actually name that that Fabiani stuff that I was unboxing. So I went to attend the Fabiani event, and where I woke up on the day was the place that I actually had booked because I wanted to be relatively close to the mall where we had to be for the store launch. But I enjoyed that. I actually vlogged there as well, so let me know if you guys want to see. I can take you to the event. If you're interested in that, leave me a comment and then I can try to edit that. But yeah, that's it for today. So it's not a long video. I think it's gonna work out to 4 or 5 minutes if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I actually quite enjoyed this. My first long form video. I must say it's not the same as Instagram, but I actually quite enjoyed it. It takes up a long time, you know, to edit this, but I enjoyed it, so I'm excited. There's a lot of things that I want to share with you guys regarding fashion, regarding how I edit stuff. Yeah, not just fashion as well. I think one of the things that I actually want to share with you guys is actually the settings that I use when I'm recording. If I checked out these videos, I actually thought that, yeah, it was quite clean for someone who just used the phone. So I actually would like to navigate or rotate to that type of content as well. I can actually provide value and maybe you can learn something that you can also use for your own creative space. For the first time, I can actually say, if it's your first time here, do subscribe. Check me out on all of my social accounts also. At Frank Jung, I actually tagged it earlier on also when I was showing you through the outfit. So check me out there too. I'm way more active there, but I'm also gonna try to be active on YouTube, of course. So yeah, that is it. I do not know if this was much of a travel vlog. I actually didn't know what to caption this video. So I don't know. Let me know if I gave you vibes of traveling or if you feel like this should have been like something. I didn't feel like it was okay to say a day in the life because it wasn't really like a full day. Basically, I was just like checking out and then I just drove back. So I don't know. But regardless, I'm calling it a travel vlog because it's my channel. But yeah, okay, it wouldn't be my channel without you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in a week or two. It depends on how this goes in a week or two, but I definitely have stuff that I've already shot, so I'd edit and I'm ready to post. I'm ready when you guys are. But yeah, kudos.